Compound has been on absolute fire over the last few days, ripping to all-time highs. The question is can this run continue in the short term, or could there be a potential pullback on the horizon? If Compound decides to pull back, what could be some key areas to be paying attention to the downside? I'm going to pull up this chart and I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. Compound up on the daily chart. So I'll start by toggling into the price action here, and I see Compound is having itself a very beautiful parabolic move. And congratulations to all the comp bulls that got in at lower levels, as you guys are experiencing some sweet gains today. So I do see a few warning signs here that a pullback could be imminent, perhaps sometime over the next week. But I also see a case for continuation as well, so let's discuss. So first and foremost, I see that comp is very extended from all its major notable moving averages here. And typically when a coin gets extended this far away, it can be a yellow card saying that, hey, a pullback could be sometime soon. And then normally I pay attention to those moving averages when that pullback is initiated. Now let's be clear, if Compound decides to pull back sometime soon this week, that is not a bearish thing to me. That is actually overall bullish, and I would be viewing that as very, very healthy. So some areas to pay attention to if the pullback is initiated will be this purple box liquid zone down here, and I have that mapped in with a top side around $268 and a bottom side coming in at $250. It is notable that the red 10 simple moving average is starting to get up above that liquid zone and will likely play defense on the first pass. More importantly, is I see the 21 exponential moving average is rising into confluence with the bottom side of this liquid zone here, and we'll have to see how high these moving averages get when the pullback is initiated, which will come at some point in time. Down below in today's daily candle, I see the volume coming in is taking out yesterday's candle volume, and I see it is also getting above the moving average and is looking overall fairly good, and the trading day still has 5 hours and 57 minutes remaining. If comp can close a daily candle body above the top side of this daily candle body, then I think continuation is likely the name of the game. However, you know, I certainly don't buy things, I don't chase these kinds of moves when they're up this high. I do look for the pullbacks for reaccumulation, and at some point this thing is going to correct. And when it does, it's just a question of how low does it go and where it could be a potential good buying opportunity. Dropping down to the RSI is looking really good at this point in time. It has not only gotten back into the green bullish control zone, but it is back up above the exponential moving average, and that moving average is very aggressively sloped to the upside and is likely to come into contact with the bottom side of the bullish control at some point in time, which will likely play defense as well if and when the pullback is initiated. Down below in the stochastics, they are looking very, very extended, but being that comp is in very strong trending behavior, to me this is it's not even a warning sign to me, to be quite frank. Stochastics can get up in this area and they can swerve around in their under trending behavior, as I use these more as a range bound indicator. MACD down below looking parabolic as well, and the positive island of momentum on the histogram here just continues to print bigger bar after bigger bar of solid green momentum, so there is no signs of slowdown on the MACD at this point in time. So for today, I'm going to be looking for the daily candle body closure. If it closes up above this one here, then continuation is the name of the game. But if it manages to close a daily candle body below the bottom side of yesterday's daily candle body, then I think that could be a potential pullback initiated. But at this point in time, comp is still looking very strong and looking like more upside. But like I said before, I certainly do not buy at these kinds of levels. I look for those pullbacks for reaccumulation. So congratulations to all you compound bulls out there that are experiencing these beautiful, beautiful gains. If a pullback is initiated sometime this week, let's just look for potential reaccumulation zones at that point in time. Hopefully you guys are locking in some profits along the way on this beautiful move, and let's see how high this thing can go. Anyways, you guys, thanks for checking out this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and until then, have yourselves a powerful day.